How to solve 8 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 30. Find the value of x. So we have 8 power x is same as 2 power 3, then bracket power of x plus 2 power x is equal to 30. Now here you can apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So according to this rule, we can write here 2 power x, then bracket power 3 plus 2 power x is equal to 30. Now we see 2 power x, both term is same. So let 2 power x is substituted by y. So our equation will be y cube plus y then is equal to 30. Now I can write here y cube plus y, then this plus 30 take to the left side, so this will be minus 30, then is equal to 0. Now we have y cube plus y, then minus 30 can be written as minus 27 minus 3, then is equal to 0. How to understand this? Pay attention here, the nearest cubic number of 30 is 27. So minus 30 can be written as minus 27 minus 3. Most of the time you can understand such as this process. Now we have y cube plus y, then minus 27 is same as minus 3 cube, then minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have y cube, then minus 3 cube plus y, then minus 3, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. Here a is as y, b is as 3. So according to this formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Here a will be equal to y, then b will be equal to 3. So according to this formula I can write here y minus 3 times y square plus y times 3 plus 3 square. That means this is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Then plus, here we take common, here plus 1 is common, so plus 1 is out of the bracket, so this divided by this, that means it will be y, minus 3 divided by plus 1, that means it will be minus 3, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now we see y minus 3 is common, so take common y minus 3, so bracket y minus 3 is out of this bracket, so this divided by this, that means y minus 3 will be cancelled. So we have y square plus y times 3, that means it will be 3y plus 3 square is same as 9, then this divided by this, that means this y minus 3 will be cancelled, so here plus 1, then bracket close is equal to 0. Now we can write here y minus 3 is equal to 0, or y square plus 3y, then plus 9 plus 1, that means it will be plus 10, then is equal to 0. Now here you can apply discriminant formula, so you can write here delta is equal to b square minus 4 ac. Here a will be equal to 1, then b will be equal to 3, after that c will be equal to 10. Now we can write here delta will be equal to b square, that means it will be 3 square minus 4 times a, that means 1, times c, that means 10. Now is equal to 3 square is same as 9, then minus 4 times 1 times 10, that means it will be 40, then is equal to 9 minus 40, that means it will be minus 31. So minus 31 is less than 0. So here no real solution. Now from here y is equal to this minus 3 take to the right side, so this will be plus 3. Now we see y is equal to 3, but remember that let 2 power x is substituted by y. So y, that means 2 power x. So y, that means it will be 2 power x is equal to 3. Now we take log in both sides. You can write here log of 2 power x is equal to log of 3. Now here I can apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. That means this power move to the base. So according to this rule, you can compare here. This power x will move to the base. So you can write here x log 2 is equal to log 3. Now we need the value of x, so we divided by log 2 in both sides. So divided by log 2 divided by log 2. Now we see this log 2 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to here we can apply this formula log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. So according to this formula, this divided by this, that means it will be log 3 base 2. So this is the value of x. So this is
how to solve a to the power 170 plus a to the power 170 is equal to what? At first we take common a to the power 170. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now a to the power 170 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket for 170 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 3 times 170, that means 510 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different powers, so you can write here 2 to the power 510 plus 1, that means 511. So 2 to the power 511 is the correct answer.